Naghahanap ka ba ng premium na quality basketball shoes na hindi galing sa Nike or Adidas? Then ito na siguro ang hinahanap mo. Puma Philippines recently unveiled the newest members of its Hoop Squad, including UE's Nigerian star big man Precious Momowe and UP rookie standout Quentin Millora Brown. And these UAAP rising stars are equipped with this year's best Puma basketball sneakers, especially the Puma All-Pro Nitro. RJ Barrett, Kyle Kuzma, Dennis Schroeder, and Michael Porter Jr. are some of the NBA stars wearing this innovative shoe. And maraming salamat sa Puma for also letting us try the All-Pro Nitro in the Sunset Glow Sunstream Puma Black colorway. It did not disappoint. Maganda itsura niya pero mas maganda ang performance sa court. Let me break it down in 5 parts. In terms of fit, unang sukat pa lang ramdam ko na hindi gagalaw ang paa ko habang gumagalaw. It has a regular fit and true to size ito. But to make sure it fits you properly, try it out at your nearest Puma store. Sa support naman, it's a low-cut shoe pero ramdam mo na it's secure enough na hindi ka matatapilok basta-basta. The upper is made of engineered mesh, 94% textile and 6% synthetic, na sinasabi ng Puma na may kasamang multi-zoned materials for targeted support, breathability, and comfort. Sa cushioning makikita ang technology ng sapatos. That's because the midsole is composed of Puma's trademark Nitrofoam, a nitrogen-injected foam na designed daw to provide superior responsiveness and cushioning in a lightweight package. And so far, the shoe does respond well to the shock of each step I make, all while being comfortable. For me, traction is the best part about the shoe. With a solid and wide rubber outsole na may pattern na parang old school wooden floor, grabe ang kapit ng All-Pro Nitro. It has one of the best grips that I've ever worn. Nasubukan ko na siya sa semento sa isang pickup game at tabla sa Alumni League debut namin at nagagawa ko naman yung mga quick cuts at change of direction na gusto ko gawin. At an SRP of 7,900, it's one of the market's pricier basketball shoes. Halos kapresyo niya ang Giannis Freak 6, Book 1 at Zion 3 ng Nike. Pero siguradong kaya niya tapatan or even higitan ang mga sikat na sapatos na to in terms of quality. The performance is certainly worth the price. Overall, I'm impressed. Actually, first time ko makasuot ng basketball shoes from Puma and it has left me with a great and lasting first impression. I can even go as far as saying that this is the best basketball shoe na nasuot ko sa buhay ko na hindi galing sa Nike or Adidas. So kung gusto nyo masubukan, check out ph.puma.com or visit Puma stores nationwide. This has been the pilot episode of Beat of Your Feet. Thank you for watching.